Hello class, good morning all, how are you? Fine? All well? Very good. So you must have enjoyed a festival yesterday. You all have enjoyed Raksha Bandhan, isn't it? Great. So how was your day? You enjoyed a lot? You have tied Rakhi on your brother's hand and brothers must have given a small gift or a lovely gift to their sisters. Great. So you all have really enjoyed your day yesterday, isn't it? Wow. So now it's time to begin our classes. So shall we start with our classes today? Okay. So can anyone tell me what is the date today? Because there's something change in our today's date. So can you tell me what is the date today? So today is 4th August 2020. So in our previous class which I took on Friday, I told you 31st July. Now I am saying August. So what has changed? The month has changed now. Now we have started with the 8th month of the year. पहले जब मैम डेट लिखते थे, मैम always used to write 7 here ना, and now I am writing 8. Today I have written 8 here. That means today we are going to start our classes in the August month because Saturday, Sunday and Monday, these three were your holidays. जो August month था वो Saturday से begin हो गया था, but Saturday, Sunday and Monday was your holidays. So we are starting our August classes from today. Clear everyone? So the date is 4th August 2020. Yes. And what is the day today? Today is Tuesday. Okay. So which class is this now? We are going to begin our work with English class. So this is your English period, and in English we have been completed till now all the sleeping standing line alphabets we have done. Then we have also completed slanting line alphabets A, B, W, M, X, Y. You have done all these alphabets K, V, all these we have completed. From today we are going to begin with curve pattern alphabets, the alphabets in which we have to make some curves. So the first alphabet we are going to learn is letter P. Which letter is this? P. So can you tell me something related to alphabet P or letter P? P for parrot. Yes, parrot is a bird, a very beautiful green color bird. You know what is the color of parrot's beak? बीक क्यों होती है? बर्ड्स के माउथ को कहते हैं हम बीक, जिससे वो खाना खाते हैं. They drink water also with their beaks. So what is the color of parrot's beak? Red. I told you earlier also when we were learning about colors concept. So parrot is a green color bird, लेकिन जो उसकी beak होती है that is red in color. And you know parrot loves to eat chilies. हमें चिलीज अच्छी नहीं लगती, बट पैरट्स ना बहुत सारी चिली खा सकते हैं. दे लव ईटिंग चिलीज एंड गुआवास. यस, दे लव ईटिंग देम. ओके, सो नाउ इवन आई हैव ड्रॉन सम पिक्चर्स हियर ऑन बोर्ड related to alphabet P. So let's start identifying these pictures and we'll see their names and we'll write their names. Okay, so the first picture we have here is this fruit. Can you identify this fruit? Which fruit is this? It is pineapple. Very good. So pineapple, what is the taste of pineapple if you can tell me? Sweet and sour. खट्टा मीठा होता है ना? It's a sweet and sour in taste. And can you also tell me pineapple से हम क्या क्या बना सकते हैं? We have jellies, jams, pineapple jam आती है which we eat with paratha or bread. Then we can make pineapple pies. Pineapple pies भी बनती है, and we can use them as a flavoring in different sort of candies and ice creams also. Okay, so I'm going to write the name here. It is pineapple. So one is this. Now moving to the next picture. Can you tell me what is this? It is something which ma'am use or your parents use when they are doing their work, when they write in their diaries or in their books and notebooks. So what is this? Pen. Yes, very good. It's a pen. So I'll write it here. Pen. Now, what is this? If this is used by parents and teachers, this is used by students. आप सब लोग इसको use करते हो when you are doing your work in notebook or book. So what is this? Which picture is this? It is pencil. Yes, you all use pencil when you do your work. So it's a pencil. So I'm going to write it here, pencil. So it's a pencil. Now, moving to the next fruit. Can you tell me which fruit is this? A very yummy fruit. It's sweet in taste. It is very soft also. Yes, which fruit is this? Pear. Yes, it's a pear. So I'm going to write here pear. It's pear fruit. Clear everyone? Okay. Now moving to this picture. Can you identify it's a vegetable? It's a vegetable and it is somewhat orangish in color, and sometimes green color vegetable is also there. This we can have either in green color or little bit orangish or yellowish shade in color. और जो green होते हैं they are small in size, and जो orangish होते हैं yellowish orange जो होते हैं they are too big in size. So can you tell me which fruit is this? It's pumpkin. Yes, it's a pumpkin fruit. Vegetable, not fruit, sorry class. It's pumpkin. So I'm going to write pumpkin here. Pumpkin. Okay, now what is this? Yes, it's a pant. Your father wears a trouser when they go to office. Those trousers are also called pants. Full pants. पैंट्स किसको कहते हैं? जो फुल लेग कवर करती है, जो हाफ लेग या जो आपकी यूनिफॉर्म का पार्ट है, वी कॉल इट शॉर्ट्स, जो हाफ होती है. देन वी हैव 3/4 पैंट्स आल्सो, बट द वन व्हिच इज कवरिंग योर होल लेग, जो आपकी पूरी लेग कवर करती है टिल योर एंकल, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैंट्स. ओके, सो इट इज अ पैंट हियर. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट पैंट आल्सो. Pants. So now can you tell me which animal is this? A very beautiful animal. बहुत sweet होता है और ये कभी भी ना किसी भी human being को harm नहीं पहुंचाते. They are very playful. बहुत अच्छे से खेलते भी हैं वो. अगर आप उनको अच्छे से treat करो, उनके साथ play करो, and they are generally found in cold regions. So can you tell me which animal is this? It's penguin. Yes, it's penguin. So I'm going to write here penguin. It's a penguin. अब पता है this penguin is white from inside. ये जो white आपको दिख रही है छोटा वाला, this is white color, और ये जो बाहर से होता है that is black in color. So this is the color of penguin. Clear all? Now apart of these some objects, can you tell me something more about P? Some more objects related to alphabet P. Okay, our national bird. I told you about our national bird. So our national bird is peacock. आपने देखा है मोर को? मोर, peacock. It is our national bird, and it also starts with P. The name is peacock. Okay. Then pizza. Yes, we all like eating pizzas. Some of your mothers cook at home also. So P, pizza. Then we have P, parrot. I told you. Then anything else we can have from P? Pig. You have seen a pig? So can you tell me what sound pig makes? Oink oink, oink oink. The pigs make a oink oink sound. Okay. So P for pig we have. Anything else we have from P? Yes? Okay, I'll give you an example. When we go for sleep, we have it on our bed and we keep it here and we go for a sleep. So P for pillow. Yes, you all use a pillow when you go for a sleep. So P for pillow. Anything else from alphabet P? Okay, there is a very cute bear. A bear family को belong करता है, and they eat bamboos. And these bears are also white and black in color. Panda, yes, Kung Fu Panda. You must have seen that movie also, Kung bamboos खाता है, so P for panda. Anything else from alphabet P? Come on, tell me. Yes, we have pizza, we have peacock, we have parrot, then pillow, then panda, we have pig. A part of these things, we have all these things with P. So these are very few things. If you explore something in your surroundings, you will definitely find something related to alphabet P also. Clear? So now I want to tell you how you have to write alphabet P. So let's learn the tracing of alphabet P. So this is your 4-line pattern. So the first thing is draw a standing line. We have drawn a standing line like this. Is it visible to all? And on this standing line, जहाँ से हमने इसको start किया था, from there we will draw a curve like this. So it is alphabet P. सिर्फ first वाले में आपको draw करना है. Don't cross this line. आपको जो first blue line है, don't cross it. So like this, we'll write alphabet P. Clear everyone? Is that clear? I'll also tell you how to do this work in notebook, but it's just to tell how we can write alphabet P. Now your today's class work. So today you are going to do work on page number 48 and 49. So where to write? Okay, I'll write it here. Book page number 48 and 49. So this is your classwork. Clear everyone? This is your classwork, and the homework is to write alphabet P in your notebook as I'm going to tell you. So first see how ma'am is doing, how we can draw a picture of alphabet P, and after that we'll write alphabet P. Clear all? Class, open your English notebook for your homework. Classwork to be done in your book as I told you. Now for your homework you are going to write alphabet P in your notebook. So the first thing is write today's date, 4th August 2020. This is your today's date and this is your homework. So we are going to write homework here. Which alphabet we are tracing? Alphabet P. Clear? So which picture we are going to draw? We are going to draw a pen. Okay, it's very easy. See how I'm going to draw. आपको इस तरह से you can make a pen like this. Clear? Or you can also make a pencil in the similar way. So these are two things which we have drawn from alphabet P, pen and pencil. You can draw any one picture, or you want to draw a pumpkin, a pear, anything which we have done. Lot of pictures I have shown you on board. You can draw any picture here. Color it also. Okay. Now how to write alphabet P? As I told you, can you see this dot? From this dot we are going to start. ठीक है? First we are going to draw a standing line. देखा मैम ने एक standing line draw कर दी. आफ्टर द स्टैंडिंग लाइन आप अपना पेंसिल हटाओगे और इसी डॉट से एक सेमी सर्कल बनाओगे छोटा सा. सो दिस इज योर अल्फाबेट पी. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट अगेन लाइक दिस. यू आर गोइंग टू राइट योर अल्फाबेट टी इन योर 4-line नोटबुक. स्टैंडिंग लाइन जो बनानी है दैट इज फ्रॉम रेड लाइन टू लोअर ब्लू लाइन. 3 लाइन्स में स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनेगी. Now starting from this point only till the first blue line हम इसका curve बनाएंगे इस तरह से. Clear? So how you have to draw your alphabet P? These are a type of drawings only we can say. हम लोग अलग अलग पैटर्न्स को यूज करके एक अल्फाबेट फॉर्म करते हैं. So like this you are going to do your work in notebook neatly, and to get a neat handwriting always use a sharp pencil. Clear everyone? So class, you have understood work, how you have to do this work. First complete your classwork in book, color the objects, match the objects, and after that write alphabet P in your notebook. You can draw any picture like pumpkin, pants, pencil, pen, even pineapple, or anything which is related to alphabet P. Draw and color the picture and practice writing alphabet P. With P, you can also practice writing all the previous alphabets in any of the practice notebook at home. So don't forget doing a regular practice of all the previous work as well. Clear? So learning new things and forgetting the previous one is not good now. So you have to keep on practicing ताकि you will be able to write or you can able to draw each alphabet and their picture properly. Clear everyone? So just finish your work and get ready for the next class. Bye. Meet you soon.